Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into a versatile kitchen appliance that's sure to elevate your cooking game, the elite Gourmet ETO2530M double French door oven. We discovered this fantastic product online and have added the link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the elite Gourmet ETO2530M? This is a compact yet spacious countertop oven that combines the functionality of multiple cooking methods into one sleek design. With a generous 25-liter capacity, this oven can handle everything from baking and broiling to toasting and keeping your meals warm. It's designed to be user-friendly while still providing enough power and versatility for a variety of cooking tasks. Let's break down some of its standout features. First off, the 25L capacity is impressive. It can fit up to 6 slices of toast at once or accommodate an 11-pound roast. You'll also find that it can easily fit a 12-inch pizza, making it perfect for family nights or entertaining guests. The interior dimensions of 13.25 inches by 13.50 inches by 8.95 inches give you plenty of room to work with. One of the most unique aspects of this oven is its French dual-door design. This allows you to open one door or both, which is not only stylish but also practical as it saves counter space. Plus, there are 3 rack positions, so you can cook multiple dishes at once without any hassle. When it comes to cooking precision, you won't be disappointed. The Elite Gourmet ETO2530M features a built-in heat selector switch, giving you the flexibility to choose from various cooking functions including baking, broiling, toasting, and pizza. This means you can easily switch from making a delicious lasagna to crisping up some garlic bread with just a few adjustments. Another practical feature is the adjustable timer. It comes equipped with a 60-minute timer that includes an indicator bell to let you know when your food is ready. This is particularly useful for busy home cooks who need to multitask. And let's not forget about the toast shade settings, allowing you to customize your toast just the way you like it. Powering this oven is a robust 1,500 watts, which means you'll be able to cook your meals efficiently. The adjustable thermostat ranges from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you the control you need to achieve your desired cooking results. Now, who is this oven suitable for? If you're a busy parent, a college student with limited kitchen space, or someone who enjoys entertaining but doesn't want to deal with a full-sized oven, this countertop oven could be your new best friend. It's also great for anyone who loves to bake but needs a secondary cooking option without taking up too much space. Practical use cases for the Elite Gourmet ETO2530M are endless. You can bake cookies for a late-night snack, broil cheesy nachos for game day, toast bagels for breakfast, or even keep a casserole warm while your guests arrive. The possibilities are really wide-ranging. In summary, the Elite Gourmet ETO2530M double French door oven is a well-rounded kitchen appliance that brings convenience, style, and versatility to your countertop. Whether you're cooking for one or hosting a gathering, this oven is designed to meet your cooking needs while saving precious space. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.